guys, so just a little announcements before we jump into this video. If you guys click the link in my bio and click the second option, you will see the wigs that I have for sale. I will also be adding more, but here are just a few. If you're interested in buying any of the wigs that you've seen on my channel or that I post, then go ahead and check out my Instagram. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin, how are you? Today I'll be showing you guys this V-part wig. I'll be showing you guys how it looks with and without leave out. So if that's something that you guys want to see, then just go ahead and keep on watching. The links to everything is in the description box as well as the discount code, so make sure you guys check it out. Alright you guys, so this is the unboxing. So I'm just going to show you guys what comes inside of the box. First I got some lashes and so, you know, just some other goodies, and here is the hair. I don't remember the texture, but whatever, I got this because I thought it was gonna match with my hair. So what I'm going to do is part my hair down the middle and put it in a ponytail at the back of my head. I guess you could braid your hair, but I don't like to braid my hair under my wigs anymore, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do my baby hairs, aka bangs, not the banging. I love my extra baby hairs, y'all. I don't know what it is, but and I didn't wash my hair, so let's not talk about it. But anyway, this is the wig, and it is a V-part. As you can see, the inside construction, we got clips everywhere. You guys could you guys see that it's like, oh, clips and combs. So what I'm gonna do is put it right over the parts, and first I'm going to show you guys how it looks with no leave out, because I saw somebody do this in their video and I wanted to see how it worked. So what they did was they put their hair in the back or whatever, and they put the clips onto the part, like the very top of the part, I guess to make it look like it's growing out of your scalp. So this way I did not like. I tried to feather on top of the weft to try to make it look less wiggy, but you know, if I went outside like this, I would look completely crazy. Like, I don't know how they did it in their video, but it just wasn't giving. But you know, from far away, maybe we could pass, you know what I'm saying, but close up, it's not giving. So, you know, here I tried to make it look like something. I tried to put out, you know, some antennas to try to put the rest up in a ponytail, but yeah, it wasn't giving that either. So we're gonna go ahead and just try and style it. So what I am going to do is flat iron what I could. There actually was a lot of hair here, and I'm not gonna lie, I did get lazy, so the flat iron job wasn't the best. However, what I will say is this hair did flat iron really well. I know that if I did smaller sections, it would have came out way better, but the only reason that I did flat iron it wasn't to wear it straight. It was just to kind of tame some of the curls, because I wanted to add, what's that thing called? I wanted to add, what's that thing called with the zigzags? I can't think of it right now. Crimps. I wanted to add crimps, so I didn't want to do it on top of the already curly hair, so I decided to just straighten it just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And you guys see movement, body, and movement. So we're gonna go ahead and start crimping. Alright you guys, so I'm feeling very scissor, feeling very much like scissor. This is the finished result. When y'all see me turn a little bit too much, we're not gonna talk about the back because I got lazy. So we're just gonna talk about the front. It's cute. It's a lot of hair, you guys. So let me just tell you guys this. I don't remember what density this hair is, but it has to be like 300 and 300. The hair density is so thick. But what I love about this hair is it's also so light. You don't even feel it. Honestly, I wonder if it would be as thick as it is now when it's wet. I've experienced normal shedding because I've been combing the hair with a rat tail comb. That's that. But I love this hair. Like, I'm feeling like scissor. But we're gonna talk about the top. So right now I don't have any leave out. I tried to do it like the videos. I don't know if you guys have seen any V-part videos, but some of the ones that I've seen, they didn't have leave out. They kind of like teased the weft a little bit. So I tried to do that, and it ended up making the weft look like, we just looked a little bit crazy. So I mean, you could go outside with it like this, and from a distance you can give her a pass, but then you come face to face with her and it's like, You're gonna laugh at me. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looked with no leave out. The wig itself is beautiful. Like, I really feel like SZA. Like, need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. I think I'm gonna try and show you guys how it looks with leave out, just to, you know, give it a more natural looking look. So I went ahead and I parted out the smallest amount of leave out possible. See, I need to oil my scalp. But anyway, 2 little antennas, okay? Now I'm gonna put back on the wig. Alright, you guys, so this is how it looks with my actual hair out. Again, I put like 2 little strands of antennas out, okay? And I would definitely go outside like this rather than, you know, without the leave out. But I don't know, maybe I just couldn't finesse it. I'm sure that when you guys out there could finesse it way better than I can. I prefer to just, yeah. This is so cute. Need you for the old me, need you for my fantasy, need you for the old me, need you for my sanity. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Let me know if you would rather have it with the leave out or without the leave out. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.